Making your money work for you is a crucial aspect of achieving financial freedom. It involves not just covering your expenses, but also generating additional income. To achieve this, you need to understand and apply the principles of budgeting, investing, and retirement planning. Make sure to watch the complete video as I break down everything for you. Budgeting is the first step to making your money work for you. Creating a budget helps you prioritize your spending and control your expenses. To create a budget, determine your sources of income and expenses. Allocate your money according to your priorities, making sure your expenses do not exceed your income. Adjust your budget or find ways to increase your income if you find you are spending more than you are earning. Investing is another essential component of making your money work for you. It involves putting your money into financial assets with the aim of generating a return on your investment. Determine your investment goals and risk tolerance, then build a diversified investment portfolio across different sectors and industries. Consider investing in both stocks and bonds, as they have different risk and return characteristics. Retirement planning is crucial to making your money work for you. Determine your retirement goals and expenses, then build your retirement savings. Contribute to a tax-advantaged retirement account such as a 401k or IRA, and invest in a mix of stocks and bonds to generate returns and manage your risk. Start saving for retirement as early as possible, as even small contributions can add up over time, thanks to compound interest. In conclusion, making your money work for you requires a combination of budgeting, investing, and retirement planning. By following these tips, you can take control of your finances and achieve your financial goals. Remember, financial freedom is achievable with careful planning, discipline, and patience. Start today and take the first step towards a better financial future.